Hey everyone, my name's Tyler Robinson, CEO of Jasper Development Group. I own a processor license, one of four. Catalyst has been with me since the very beginning. They wrote almost my entire application, and now Catalyst is helping me go fully operational with all of my day-to-day activities. Literally, Catalyst has done everything for me. All I've brought to the table is finances. Catalyst has done during the application process. They took each exhibit and filled out everything carefully, strategically, professionally. And now, as we're getting close to construction, they're dealing with all the architects. They are dealing with all the companies for SOPs. They are dealing with all the equipment companies to line up all the equipment. I mean, literally, Catalyst is doing everything. I've literally been like, here, y'all handle this, and they are running with it full speed and handling as professionally as. I mean, it's insane what this company is doing. Best experience ever. If I ever venture out to another state or do another business here, as far as a dispensary or cultivation or vertical integrated, Catalyst. Catalyst going forward will always have my business. They'll always have my trust, and I will always recommend them to anybody that's getting into this industry. Literally, they can call me. I'll talk to them for hours on hours if I need to. That's how much I back Catalyst, and that's how much I believe in the guys. And they do what they say. They have an awesome team. It's just crazy to see how they all like work together and how it's just wild. I hope that one day you can experience the team and experience what they can do for you, because it's truly been a life-changing experience for me and my family.